Okay, this is our experiment with Nugget and a sock full of catnip. As you can see, the catnip is in a sock on the bed, and it seems like he pretty much likes it. Hi!
What are you doing, Nugget? Let me get your sock. Let me get your sock. Your sock. Can I have it? What is that? What's that?
He just seems pretty happy right now. Little.
He wants to take a bath in it. Look at him.
Oh, you're so cute.
Ooh. Oh. He says, I'm getting into that sock. He's going to bite it.
Oh, he's about to grab me, I think.
What do you have, Nugget?
Oh, he's laying down.
Is that your favorite new toy?
Is that your baby? Is your baby?
He's smelling over there too? Oh boy, this will be his favorite bed now. Uh-oh, he's getting wild now. Yeah, watch out for his claws. He's in slow motion.
Yeah, usually he's pretty lightning fast. Hello. Oh, his little eyes look glazed over. Hello.
Well, it's not the same as
I know. It's not like the same.
Peeps.
Peeps.
People.
Oh.
His eyes were dolling there for a second. Let's see. Ew. What is that there? People. What is that? Oh, get it.
Hello.
His tail's wagging.
I don't know if the camera will pick us up, but he's purring really hard. He just like looks really out of it. Hello. Oh.
Don't touch the catnip. He wants it, Ashley. Oh.
Bless you. That bark outside is the dog. He's jealous. He wants to know what's going on in here.
Oh my gosh,
Unfortunately,
he's going to sleep. Look at him.
Catnip does not affect. I hope this isn't going to hurt him. Is this going to hurt him?
No, it doesn't hurt
We're so
them.
mean.
They just like it. Just makes them sleepy.
Hello, Sleepy.
And silly.
Hello. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's like Mowgli on the Jungle Book when the snake tries to enchant him to sleep. He's like, his little eyes, you know, it's like,
I can't believe that. Look, it's putting it to sleep.
Good night, sweet.
He won't let go of it either.
It's pretty wet from, oh, I got you a catnip.
I'm too tired to move.
He's like, wait a second.
He's really tired. Look at him. Oh my goodness. I think it made him sleepy.
Dear.
Poor. That's weird.
Oh my goodness, he's just so happy.
That's not like him, is it? Now we know how to get Nugget to go to sleep. It's so excited.
The dog is pretty upset. Okay. Night, sweet dreams, little boy.